Hello, hello. Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. Today we are doing delicious lunchbox ideas. We are back with them. Let's begin. Let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Spread softened butter on the bread. We'll be doing 2 sandwiches. Place a slice of cheese on each of the slice of bread. Then followed by ham, or you can use a chicken loaf or any other meat you prefer. Then follow it by another slice of cheese. Set them aside. Make a dip into each slice of bread. Just dip to hold an egg. Be careful not to tear the bread. Spread the butter. I am spreading it even on the sides of the slices of the bread. Spread garlic paste. This garlic paste is with herbs. I bought it, it was already mixed with herbs. Drizzle honey or syrup. This is an optional step. Add an egg where you've made a dip. Then sprinkle mozzarella cheese around the edges. Or you can mix mozzarella with cheddar or any other cheese of choice. Sprinkle salt and black pepper on the egg. Then followed by fresh parsley. This bread was so flavorful. Place the sandwiches on a lined baking tray. Then bake them for 15 minutes or until they are golden on the sides. I had to put the sandwiches on a cooling rack just for a few minutes before serving them to avoid them being soggy. Enjoy! Let's make Tei and Pastrami sub. That's a sandwich. Let's make sauce. Add minced garlic, fresh basil to the mayonnaise in a bowl and mix. Our sauce is done. Let's make a dressing In a bowl, add olive oil, red wine vinegar, and dried origanum or oregano. Then add chili flakes, those are smoked, salt, and black pepper. Add garlic powder and stir. Mix well. In another bowl, place chopped lettuce. Add the dressing. You may add chopped onion if you would like to. Then mix. Cut the bread lengthwise. As shown in the video, then spread the sauce that we have prepared. On both. Let's fill our bread. We'll start with beef pastrami and we'll overlap each piece on top of each other as shown in the video. We are layering our bread. Then it is followed by slices of turkey. We overlap them. Due to turkey being dry, we'll add mustard sauce on top of it. It is followed by white cheddar cheese slices, then chips or crisps for saltiness and crunch. We want to maximize on flavor and textures. Add lettuce, then gherkins or pickles. Add your sliced tomatoes, then season them with salt and black pepper. Close your sandwich. It's important that you wrap your sandwich so that it becomes cohesive. You may use wax paper or parchment paper or cling wrap and allow it to stand for 2 minutes on the tabletop. When it's wrapped, it looks so organized. Look at that. I hope you enjoy it. Let's make ham and cheese breakfast potatoes. Cut the potatoes into halves lengthwise, then hollow the potatoes, making cavities. Do not make them too thin. This is a raw potato I'm using a spoon to hollow it. Rinse the potatoes on clean water, then pat them dry. Place them in a baking pan. Drizzle oil on them. Season with salt and pepper and rub the seasoning in. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Bake the potatoes for about 30 minutes or until they start to soften. These ones were baked without being hollowed, then they were cooled. Now I am making there are cavities on them. They are hard on top but soft on the inside. They are easy to break or tear, so it's another method of making it. You may choose any method you prefer. In a bowl, crack eggs, season them with salt and pepper, add minced garlic and mix. Add fresh thyme and mix. Add cream or milk and mix. This is optional. It will make your egg rich. Stack fresh leaves of basil leaves and roll them. Then chop them. That's an easy way of chopping them and to make them not to bleed. Cut chicken loaf or ham into cubes. These are the toppings we are preparing. Meanwhile, the potatoes are baking. Separate the ham or the chicken pieces as shown in the video. Once the potatoes are ready, start filling them with the toppings in no particular order. I put onions, ham or chicken, chopped tomato, I've added grated cheese, any of choice, then egg mixture, now we'll be topping up, starting with cheese. The secret is in filling that hole. Add chopped fresh basil. I could have added it with the egg as well, just like I have added the thyme. I forgot to do so. Now I'm topping up tomatoes, then thyme leaves. Almost forgot the pre-baked potatoes to fill them. Now I'm filling them there. Drizzle with olive oil, then bake until golden and the cheese is melted. I hope you enjoy these potatoes. When you serve them hot and sprinkle parsley, fresh parsley. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.